my friend. It is me, Buddy, and welcome to this beautiful garden. Today, we are going to be little scientists together. Science is all about asking questions and discovering how our wonderful world works. Look! See that big red juicy apple hanging on the tree? Watch what happens when it gets too heavy. Bowing, plop! It falls all the way down to the soft green grass. Why did it fall down instead of floating up into the clouds? It is because of a super cool, invisible pull called gravity. Can you say that word with me? Gravity! Wonderful job! Gravity is a secret force that keeps our feet flat on the ground and pulls falling things down, down, down. Try to jump up high right now. See? You come right back down. Gravity is our helpful friend every single day. Let's walk over to the quiet pond. Look at all the clear, pretty water. I have two special treasures with me today to test out. One is a light green leaf and the other is a small, heavy stone. Let's drop them both into the water and see what happens. Splash! Oh, look at that! The leaf stays right on top of the water. It floats. Can you say float? Fantastic! But look at the heavy stone. It goes splash and goes all the way to the bottom. It sinks. Can you say sink? Yes! Science tells us that light things like leaves often float and heavy things like stones often sink. Let's pretend to float like a leaf. Wiggle your arms slowly side to side. You are floating so beautifully. Now we are zooming over to the cold, soft snow. Brr! Feel that chilly, freezing air. Look at this cute little snowman I built. He is cold and solid. But watch what happens when the bright sun shines down on him and warms him up. Oh, he is getting warmer and warmer. The solid snow is turning into warm liquid water. This amazing change is called melting. Can you say melting? Yes, melting. When things get warm, solid ice turns into liquid water. It is a wonderful science change. Let's clap our hands to warm them up. Rub, rub, rub your hands together fast. Do they feel nice and warm? Yes. Heat makes cold things melt. Look up! We are flying high up into the bright blue sky. Whee! Look at all the fluffy white clouds around us. Do you feel that cool breeze brushing past your cheeks? That is the wind. Wind is just air that is moving around. We cannot see the air with our eyes, but we can see the wind work. Look at my bright, colorful kite. The wind pushes it up, up, up into the air. Swoosh! Can you blow like the wind? Blow as hard as you can. Furft! Just like that, you are moving the air. The strong wind helps birds fly and pushes giant boats across the deep blue water. We just walked right onto this cozy farm. Look at all the rich brown dirt. Inside the dirt, there is a tiny sleeping seed. What does a little seed need to grow into a big, strong plant? It needs two very special helpers, warm sunshine and wet rain. Let's pretend to be a seed. Curl up really small on the floor. Good job. Now, the rain falls. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Now, the warm sun shines. We start to grow. Stretch your arms up slowly. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Look, you grew into a beautiful flower. Science teaches us that plants are alive and need water and light to grow. Let's jump straight into the tall green forest. There are so many big, beautiful trees here. Look down at the grassy ground. Do you see those cool, dark shapes? Those are shadows. A shadow is made when an object blocks the light. See my hand? If I put my hand in front of a bright flashlight, it blocks the light and makes a dark hand shape on the wall. Let's make a shadow puppet together. Put your hands together like a flying bird. Flap, flap! Look, you made a bird shadow. Shadows are just places where the light cannot reach because something got in the way. Can you dive with me? We are swimming deep down into the blue ocean. Splash! Look at the pretty fish swimming past us. Did you know that sound travels underwater? Yes, it does! When a big whale sings, it makes the water wiggle in tiny ways called vibrations. Put your hand on your throat and say, "Oh!" Do you feel that tickly buzzing? Those are vibrations. Vibrations are what make every sound we hear. Sound wiggles through the air, and it wiggles even faster through the water. Tap your fingers together underwater. Click, click. We can hear it so clearly. Science is everywhere, even underwater. We are soaring all the way up into outer space. Whoosh! Look at our beautiful home, planet Earth. It looks like a giant blue marble spinning slowly in the dark. On the side facing the sun, it is bright and warm. That is daytime. But look at the other side of the Earth. It is turned away from the sun, so it is dark. That is nighttime. The Earth is always slowly spinning, which is why we have day and night. When your side of the Earth faces the sun, you wake up. When it spins away, you sleep under the stars. Space science is so exciting. Let's zoom down to the busy city. Look at all the tall buildings and fast cars. Over here, the workers are cleaning up and sorting metal. They're using a giant, powerful magnet. A magnet is a special object that pulls certain metals toward it like magic. Clank! Look at the iron keys and steel cans stick right to the magnet. But look, the plastic bottles and paper cups do not stick at all. Magnets only pull on special magnetic metals. Can you hold your hands out like a magnet and make a pulling sound? Zzzt! Pull! Excellent! Magnets are incredibly useful tools. Our next stop is this delicious bakery. Smells delicious. Look at this soft dough for making bread. Inside the dough, there is a tiny living helper called yeast. When yeast eats the sweet sugar in the dough, it blows tiny bubbles of air. This makes the dough grow bigger and fluffier. Watch it rise up like a balloon. When the baker puts it in the hot oven, the bubbles stay trapped, making the bread soft and bouncy. That is kitchen science. Baking is just tasty science you can eat. Can you pretend to mix a big bowl of dough? Stir, stir, stir. Now pat it flat. Great job. Finally, we are heading back to my cozy home. We had such an amazing science adventure today. We learned about gravity, floating, melting, wind, growing seeds, shadows, sound vibrations, day and night, magnets, and baking science. You are a wonderful little scientist. If you had fun exploring with me, please give this video a big thumbs up and ask a grown-up to help you subscribe so we can play together again. Thank you for being my friend and learning with me. I cannot wait to see you next time. Come back tomorrow, friend. Goodbye.